works, guys. It works. Peanut butter for labor works. Would you like to have a shorter and faster birth? Because I'll be showing you my top 3 positions to help you have a faster and shorter labor. So go ahead and subscribe so you do not miss any of my videos. Hi, my name is Victoria and I'm a midwife, childbirth educator, and a birth coach. I love to try things out, and I'll share a quick story with you on how I know peanut butter works. I have seen tons and tons of people use peanut butter in our practice, and I see that it works. But it did not click in my head the relationship between the peanut butter and the moms having a shorter, faster, and just their labor progressing so fast. It did not correlate. When I had one of my clients come in, she was overdue and she was like, I'm not gonna leave here until I have my baby. I love determined women. Do you? She came in and I checked her. There was no labor, no contractions, nothing. When you feel for the cervix, usually the effacement is like, you're going in with 2 fingers, you can't put in 2 fingers, and so you're going with 1, and it's like, maybe this tall, right? 2 knuckles. Sometimes it could be 3, but this mom, it was 4, like 4 knuckles. So I was trying to find the cervix, and I was going in, and it was like so tall, such a tall cervix before I could touch the baby. So I brought out my baby to show you. So when you feel for the cervix, so I was feeling for the cervix, and at overdue, the baby was so high, and also the cervix was so long, like so long. It was like long like this. And so when I put my hand inside, usually you can just feel the baby's head, but this one I had to go through like so long before I could feel the baby's head from inside. So I was a bit like, what am I gonna do? And I consulted with one of my other friends, one of my other midwife friends, and just was asking for what would she do? And she was like, remember that positions we always do, that with the peanut butter. Try put her in these positions that I'm going to show you. So keep watching. We need you to open up. We need the mom to open up, because you need to open up for your baby to come out, right? Something needs to open up, right? And that's the cervix. And so we said we need the mom to open up. We know the baby needed to apply more to the cervix so the cervix could efface. So we just needed a position that could put the baby's head on the cervix so the cervix can efface. And I tell you guys, about 4 hours later, this mom went from not having a contraction to having a baby. And I was just like blown away, like, it works. Peanut butter works. And this is not the only story. I told you we've used it before, but just for me personally, it did not click that was part of the process. But then after, with this amazing mom, I'm like, oh my goodness, it does work. And of course we did other things. But for this video, I know for sure we all knew that this position works. By the way, go ahead in the comment section and let me know if you use peanut butter in your labor and what were your experiences. Type yes or no. Let's engage in the comment section. So some of the things that you want to happen in labor, and that happens naturally in labor, is that your pelvis opens up more, and you want to encourage that with a peanut butter and with the positions I will show you. The pelvis opens up more this way, open up that way. Can you see that? You see how the pelvis says in labor, it opens up more this way so that the baby can get in well and really go down. And then it opens up more this way. Can you see those bones open? This way with other positions that I will show you. So in early labor, when your baby is trying to engage, you want to try to open this part of the pelvis as much as possible. And in the second stage of labor, when you're pushing, you want your pelvis to open up more at the bottom. These positions will also help your baby to apply well on your cervix so that it can open your cervix up all the way to 10 centimeters. And you can have a smoother, easier, and faster labor. By the way, do you know that peanut butter can decrease your labor time, stage 1, by 90 minutes? Wow, that's like a whole hour and 30 minutes. By stage 2, which is when you're pushing your baby out, by 22 minutes. And it also reduces C-section rate by 12%. Can you believe that? With just a peanut butter does all of that? I want that. Sign me up for that. I also want to say that you want to make sure to have the right size for you. They come in 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 60, and 70. I don't have the small one here with me, so I'm just going to use this. I'm 5'3", and this works for me. You just have to find a right fit for you. Let me know in the comment section below what size you use for your labor. Because it opens up your pelvis and you have the birth ball and you just put both your legs